What do you want for dinner, Mel? Do you want mac and cheese?
Nah.
Pizza?
No. Oh, how about my favorite, chicken bok pie?
But the frozen one?
Of course not. The homemade.
Ooh, that sounds good.
Let's make it. Yay! Melt a fourth cup butter. Add 1 diced onion. Add 1 tablespoon of rotisserie chicken seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, and salt, celery seed, and pepper. Add shredded chicken, corn, peas, bake at 360 for 30 to 40 minutes.